Hello, and welcome to Unknown Facts. Today, we venture into a world where the lines between plant and predator blur, the fascinating realm of carnivorous plants. Join me as we uncover the secrets of these cunning hunters. Perhaps the most iconic of all carnivorous plants, the Venus flytrap appears innocuous at first glance. The flytrap's leaves resemble open jaws, lined with highly sensitive trigger hairs. When an unsuspecting insect brushes against these hairs, the trap springs shut with astonishing speed. The interlocking teeth along the leaf margins form a cage, preventing the prey's escape. The struggle of the trapped insect prompts the Venus flytrap to release digestive enzymes that break down the prey's soft tissues. This adaptation allows the Venus flytrap to thrive in nutrient-poor environments like bogs and swamps. It's a testament to the power of natural selection and the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Venturing deeper into the world of carnivorous plants, we encounter the pitcher plant, a master of passive trapping. The pitcher plant's modified leaves form deep, pitcher-like traps, often adorned with alluring colors and patterns. These botanical pitfalls are filled with a pool of digestive fluid, a deadly cocktail of enzymes and rainwater. Attracted by the plant's sweet nectar, insects venture onto the slippery, waxy rim of the pitcher. One misstep sends them tumbling into the digestive pool below. The steep walls of the pitcher, often lined with downward-pointing hairs, make escape nearly impossible. The pitcher plant's passive, yet effective trapping mechanism highlights the diversity of strategies employed by carnivorous plants. Our next encounter brings us face to face with the sundew, a plant that seems to shimmer and sparkle with an ethereal beauty. The sundew's leaves are covered in glistening tentacles, each tipped with a droplet of sticky mucilage that glistens like morning dew. This alluring substance is in fact a deadly trap for unsuspecting insects. Drawn in by the sundew's sweet scent, insects alight upon the glistening tentacles only to find themselves hopelessly ensnared. The more the insect struggles, the more entangled it becomes. As the tentacles wrap around it, the sundew then releases digestive enzymes that break down the insect's body, reducing it to a nutrient-rich soup. The sundew's trapping mechanism highlights the sophisticated adaptations that allow these plants to thrive in nutrient-poor environments. We now dive beneath the water's surface to encounter the bladderwort, a carnivorous plant that has mastered the art of underwater trapping. The bladderwort's traps are small, bladder-like structures attached to its underwater stems. These bladders are vacuum-sealed and equipped with a trapdoor fringed with sensitive trigger hairs. When a small aquatic organism brushes against these hairs, the trapdoor springs open with lightning speed. The prey, along with the surrounding water, is sucked into the bladder by the negative pressure created when the trap was set. Once inside, the bladderwort's digestive enzymes get to work, breaking down the prey. The bladderwort's underwater snap traps showcase the remarkable adaptations that allow carnivorous plants to thrive in diverse habitats. Its ability to create a vacuum within its traps is a testament to the power of natural selection. Our journey through the world of carnivorous plants brings us to the butterwort, a plant that employs a simple yet effective trapping mechanism. The butterwort's leaves, often brightly colored to attract insects, are covered in a thin layer of sticky mucilage. This glistening substance acts like flypaper, trapping unsuspecting insects that wander onto the leaf's surface. As the insect struggles to free itself, it becomes further mired in the sticky mucilage. The butterwort then releases digestive enzymes from glands on the leaf's surface, slowly breaking down the insect's body. This simple yet effective trapping mechanism allows the butterwort to thrive in nutrient-poor environments. The butterwort's glistening leaves highlight the diversity of adaptations found in the plant kingdom. Venturing into the realm of the unusual, we encounter the cobra lily, a carnivorous plant named for its uncanny resemblance to a cobra poised to strike. Its modified leaves form tall, tubular pitchers, often with a hooded structure resembling a cobra's head. The cobra lily employs a combination of alluring scents and visual cues to lure unsuspecting prey. Insects, drawn in by the promise of nectar, venture into the cobra lily's tubular leaves. The interior walls of the pitcher are lined with downward-pointing hairs, making escape nearly impossible. The cobra lily further ensures its prey's demise by employing a clever trick of light and shadow. The hooded structure allows light to penetrate the upper portion of the pitcher, while the lower portion remains shrouded in darkness. Exhausted and trapped, the insects eventually succumb to the digestive fluids at the bottom of the pitcher. Our exploration of carnivorous plants takes us to the tropics, where we encounter the tropical pitcher plant, a giant among its kind. These massive pitchers, some capable of holding over a gallon of fluid, are a testament to the plant's voracious appetite. The tropical pitcher plant doesn't limit itself to insects. Its large size and potent digestive fluids allow it to consume a wider range of prey, including small vertebrates. Insects and other small animals are lured to the pitcher's rim by nectar and alluring scents. Once on the slippery, waxy surface, one misstep sends them tumbling into the digestive soup below. The sheer size of the pitcher and the potency of its digestive fluids make escape nearly impossible. The tropical pitcher plant's trapping mechanism ensures it a hearty meal. Returning to the aquatic realm, we encounter the water wheel plant, a carnivorous plant that has evolved a unique and fascinating trapping mechanism. The water wheel plant's traps resemble miniature wheels lined with sensitive trigger hairs. These traps, typically only a few millimeters in size, are among the fastest moving structures in the plant kingdom. When a small aquatic organism brushes against the trigger hairs, the trap snaps shut with lightning speed. The entire process, from trigger to capture, takes only a few milliseconds. Once the trap has closed, the water wheel plant releases digestive enzymes that break down the prey. The water wheel plant's underwater snap traps highlight the incredible diversity of adaptations found in the plant kingdom. Our exploration of carnivorous plants takes an intriguing turn as we encounter the Roridula, a plant that has forged a remarkable symbiotic relationship with another creature. Unlike other carnivorous plants that rely solely on their own digestive enzymes, the Roridula enlists the help of assassin bugs. The Roridula's leaves are covered in sticky tentacles, similar to those of the sundew. However, the Roridula's mucilage, while sticky, lacks the digestive enzymes found in other carnivorous plants. This is where the assassin bugs come in. These small predatory insects have developed a unique immunity to the Roridula's sticky mucilage. They crawl freely among the tentacles, feasting on the insects trapped by the plant. The assassin bugs then leave behind droppings on the Roridula's leaves, which are readily absorbed by the plant. Our final stop on this journey through the world of carnivorous plants brings us to the Brocchinia reducta, a plant that challenges our traditional understanding of what it means to be carnivorous. The Brocchinia reducta's leaves form a tight rosette, creating a central tank or urn that collects rainwater. This tank, however, is no ordinary reservoir. The Brocchinia reducta secretes enzymes into the water, creating a digestive soup that breaks down trapped insects. Insects, attracted by the Brocchinia reducta's bright colors and alluring scents, slip on the waxy surface of the leaves and fall into the digestive pool below. The Brocchinia reducta's ability to lure, trap, and digest insects without the aid of specialized trapping mechanisms highlights the diversity of adaptations found in the plant kingdom. It's a reminder that nature is full of surprises and that even the most unassuming plants can harbor hidden depths. From the lightning-fast snap of the Venus flytrap to the passive allure of the pitcher plant, carnivorous plants showcase the remarkable diversity of life on Earth. Their ingenious adaptations, honed over millennia of evolution, allow them to thrive in environments where other plants struggle to survive. As we've journeyed through the world of carnivorous plants, we've witnessed the power of natural selection to shape life in fascinating and unexpected ways.